Do you like chicken? Do you like soup? Then you're gonna love Super Chicken! Hello, welcome back to the Adrian Project. I'm Adrian with a face for radio, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a really easy slow cook Super Chicken. So let's cue the music! The ingredients you'll need so you can cook your own slow cook Super Chicken. You'll need some fresh chicken breast, 1 tin of chicken or chicken and mushroom soup, a tub of soft cheese and some Italian seasoning mix to taste. Right, okay, so we've got all those ingredients. Really easy thing to do this. So we've got a can of cream of chicken and mushroom soup, we've got this fresh chicken breast, we've got the soft cheese, and of course this Italian style herb blend mix. That's just to taste. So first off, I'm going to do, open the soup and pour it into the slow cooker pot. There we go. Really easy this. This is as simple as it gets, I think. Which is saying something from me. So, next thing we're going to do, get your chicken breast pieces straight into the slow cooked bowl. There we go. It's fantastic. So easy as this, no other preparation needed. And then we've got our full, I'm using full fat cream cheese. You can use low fat one if you want, or no fat, totally up to you. So all this will be going straight in as well. There we go. There we go. Let's get that. Spread it about just a little bit, but of course this is going to all melt down. There we go. As easy as that, he says. Get off my finger. Okay, so just get that off my finger there. Messy cooking is the best. Then, of course, take your Italian seasoning. Put as much or as little as this in as you want. Totally up to you. There we go. And that's all the preparation done. Quick and as easy as that. Right, now I'm going to put the slow cooker on. We'll put it on to high for 4 hours, or if you're going to go out for the day, you can put it on low for about 7 or 8 hours, totally up to you. So I'm going to be doing this on the high setting, so it's going to be about 4 hours. So 4 hours is up, and there we have it, super chicken. As you can see, I've done some brown rice with it as well. It's up to you if you have brown rice, white rice, or just have some crusty bread with it. But I tell you, this is absolutely lovely, and you're going to love this way of doing chicken as well. So it's really easy, so why don't you give it a go? And that's the end of yet another episode. I hope you all enjoyed that one. If you did, and you haven't done so already, could you please remember to subscribe to my channel. At the moment, I'm aiming to get 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as I hit that 1,000th subscriber mark, I will donate at least £20 to Macmillan Nurses here in the UK. For those of you living outside of the UK and you don't know who the Macmillan Nurses are, they are there to help everyone with cancer live life as fully as they can, providing physical, financial and emotional support. I myself have had their services firsthand, and I can tell you they are exceptional. A lot of the time they do have to rely on public donations, so if you'd like to find out more about Macmillan Nurses, or in fact give a little donation yourself, then please visit www.macmillan.org.uk. Okay, I'd like to thank you all again for watching. It's very much appreciated. Don't forget, you can still follow me on Facebook and on Twitter if that's going to be easy for you. And here's to seeing you all again on the next episode of the Adrian Bout Project.